Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add threads to Instagram bio. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the thread application. Okay, click on that and you simply need to download that application. Once you download, you simply need to log in. So once you log in into your profile, so here you can see that I already logged in. You simply need to go back and open Instagram, and once you are in your Instagram, you simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and here you can see your thread profile. It is already added, and if you want to view, you simply need to click on that. Here you can see. So this is the process by which you can add thread profile into Instagram bio. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.